Here at Curry Climate Storage, we have the no key system, which means you access everything through your cell phone, Android, iOS, and it's simple and easy, and you also have no keys. So once you sign your lease, you will already have the Smart Storage app downloaded on your phone. Once you go to enter, you will have two entry doors. You will have a dock door and the main entry door. Both of those you will see pulled up on your app. You pull up your app, and it'll come up your entry door. You will hold it to the keypad, and you will mash unlock, and it'll unlock the door for you. To unlock your unit, you will pull up your app. Once you pull up your app, you will see the unit or units you have purchased. You will go to whatever number you're wanting to unlock. You will find that unit on your app. You will come over here and you will mash this button. Then you will go on your app and mash unlock until it appears green. Then you will press down and unlock it. Then you will pull it down to close. And you will manually lock it.